Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today I'm joined by Betty the Bird, and we're going to be creating our very own self-portrait. Let's get started. To begin, we're going to start by taking a picture of ourselves using the camera app. Be sure to click that little circle button to switch the camera's view. Once you have a picture that you like, you'll go to your Photos app and open it up. Let's see, this picture looks pretty good. Then we're going to go up here to the top right corner and click the word Edit. Now we can change the color types. I really like this auto button that helps lighten up everything and just makes it look a little more professional. And then you can also go through these different settings to find what you like. Let's see. And you can change these however you want. We started playing around with these tools on Digital Art Day 2. When you're done with those, go ahead and click on this little circle up here at the top and click on Markup. This is going to give you lots of different options on decorations to add. Like, say I want to give Buddy the Bird here a crown because he's like a little king. Let's see. Do thinner mark. Yay, look at you. You got yourself a little crown up here. And I've always wanted to see him with like a red vest. So I'm going to put on, looks like he's wearing a vest of some kind right here. You got to leave a big opening for his wings. And do a thinner line up here. There we go. And then you can add stuff to yourself as well. Let's move this over here. Okay. And say I've always wanted rainbow colored hair, so let's add some rainbow color hair for me. Let's do my thin line mark. So if I'm doing hair and adding colorful hair, I want to start at the top where the hair grows and go all the way down. Yeah, coming down and going up might just work as well. Let's go ahead and add some yellow. There we go. And I think right here, let's keep that up. And let's add some orange to my hair. Let's see. I think that orange looks nice. Whoops. Here we go. Add some orange. Ooh, it's like a fiery hair right now. And I could add lots of different details. You know, if you want to give yourself an eye patch, make yourself look like a pirate, I mean, it's up to you. Let's do green. Let's do my cool colors on this side. Crazy hair ideas. Add some blue. I could also change the background if I wanted. You see here I have my blue screen behind me. Let's add some purple to my hair. Let's do that purple. Regular rainbow dash right now. Yay! I like that. Click done. And when I'm finished with all of this, if I want to change the color some more, I can. And then click on done. And there we go. I have my self-portrait with added details. Yay! Be sure to send me a copy of this in Google Classroom. Till next time, class, keep being creative.